Okay, Hair Tamer Gang, here's another one. This is going to be a root repair. He would like to add locks to his tapered perimeter around the hairline and also do a dreadlock repair and a root repair. So let's get it. This is the before shot. Now here I am installing the extensions around the perimeter. This customer cut off his tapered edges a while back and wishes he had a full head of dreadlocks. So I worked my magic. He requested a 2-strand twist style. So I'm going through each one of his locks, doing great detail and maintenance to give him a amazing looking outcome. And this is the after effect of his dreadlock repair and extensions. Yes. Hair Tamers Studio.